Did you know that 58% of companies admit they don't have the resources they need for their IT security, whether it's staff, systems, or skills? It's true, resources might be diminishing, but unfortunately the same can't be said for the complexity that you're facing every day. It's a fact, for every 25% increase in functionality of a system, there's a 100% increase in complexity. Just keeping up with the patches and critical updates for all the different devices and applications you're managing, it's pretty much a full-time job. And that's before you've looked at bring your own device initiatives or license management, provisioning, or endpoint configuration. It's not that you haven't got the tools. It's that each individual tool adds to the complexity you face when you're trying to implement your security policies. And complexity is the enemy of security. How can we help? Kaspersky has developed systems management technologies to help administrators like you not only enhance their security, but streamline their efficiency too. Here's how. Every day you're tasked with deploying new hardware and applications, and from time to time applying updates and patches. That's time-consuming, expensive, and as your inventories grow, it's complex. Kaspersky takes that complexity out of image provisioning and deployment and allows you to create, store, and deploy individual disk images using our systems provisioning module. From the same central console as your anti-malware and other security tools, you can automate the deployment of your golden images and standardized software across your devices. This saves you time and minimizes the disruption to your workers. Kaspersky also allows you to boot directly from the LAN so you can roll out new operating systems and updates after hours. The solution integrates easily with your existing Pixie servers, or you can use our technology directly when you're upgrading operating systems. This includes an option to save your end user data during the upgrade process. And if you're planning a migration to Windows 8, Kaspersky Systems Management can help. Kaspersky Systems Management tools help to optimize and automate software distribution even to remote or branch offices. Kaspersky lets you do this on demand or in a scheduled mode. For larger deployments, this allows you to shift major network loads to after hours. If you have multiple locations, a remote machine can be assigned as an update agent, and its role is to update all the machines in its branch, which greatly reduces traffic between offices. In addition to standard MSI packages, we support deployment using other types of executable files such as exe, bat, or command files. Kaspersky research has found that more than 40% of businesses feel unprepared for the threats facing them. We're not surprised. At Kaspersky Lab, we track an average of 200,000 unique threats every day. And since the #1 target of cybercriminals is unpatched vulnerabilities in applications and operating systems, you need to be on top of patching. Kaspersky's advanced patching module automatically prioritizes which vulnerabilities require immediate attention. All the required patches are held in a special inventory so you have access to them when you need them. Plus, you can set parameters for automated reboots if the patch requires it. Systems management can also synchronize with Microsoft Windows Update servers and automatically distribute hot fixes and updates to your client machines, all from one central console. The ability to manage and control software licenses is one of the easiest cost-cutting methods available to an IT manager. Kaspersky Systems Management enables you to do just that without a lot of extra workload. Our technology allows you to compile full hardware and software inventories and gives you complete insight into every device and piece of software on your network. It helps you stay compliant on all of your licensing obligations. You can eliminate overspending on unnecessary licenses while supporting a more effective security strategy. When you know exactly who's running what software on your network, it's easier to apply your policies. If you deploy systems management as part of Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Business, our tight integration means you can use our application control to automatically restrict usage to approved applications and versions. This is going to protect your network from vulnerable or out-of-date software, and it ensures your organization is license compliant. Anyone supporting mobile workers knows how important it is to be able to deploy guest policies. With Kaspersky Systems Management, you don't have to choose between security and flexibility for your end users and guests. You can also manage and identify guest devices. It's easy to create and maintain a captive portal for your guests so they can access corporate resources. Because complexity is the enemy of security, we want to take that complexity out of your job and allow you to automate routine and formally cumbersome tasks without having to compromise your security. The Systems Management feature contains several efficiency tools that'll help you remove the complexity and the cost from your environment so you can focus on other projects and achieve more with your time.